let you write this DCN number down. Now that's crazy. That's why I'm saying getting in the car with strangers. I didn't, but if you don't hear nothing in a couple days, you got a picture of him. We don't hear nothing in a day or two. 24 hours. Yeah. Yeah. At least, and I haven't checked my phone. Alright, well, call her and get back with me. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. She said that people said that even if he's 17, he's considered as a dope, far as they concerned. When they let him out, you know, they don't know where he went. I should have got me a good sandwich.
Potbellies?
What kind of meat is that?
So, she wants to know what time that place closed. You called it, man. You guys know.
Oh, he's open 11 o'clock at night.
Right, but how long is he getting? Let him know the situation.
I had his number written on something in my purse. I don't think I got it anymore. Maybe look up that pantry. What do you do, Cleo? Look on there and get that pantry for me. Okay. What's this called? This
Hometown.
I'm trying to get these out.